I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the jersey material and number type, because heat and pressure differ for polyester versus cotton. Once confirmed, set the iron to a low to medium setting. Avoid steam on heat transfer vinyl to prevent bubbling. Position the number flat and cover it with a thin cotton cloth to protect the fabric. This spreads heat evenly and prevents direct contact. Press gently for an initial 6 to 8 seconds, keeping the iron steady. You want even adhesion without scorching the jersey. Once the first pass is set, you work section by section to ensure full adhesion. Apply firm, consistent pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds per area. This forces the adhesive into the fabric weave and seals edges. Make sure the jersey rests on a hard, flat surface so pressure is uniform, no soft towels under it. After a pass, lift the cloth and test a corner by gently peeling. If the edge lifts, recover and reheat that spot immediately to bond it completely. You finish by letting the area cool for 1 to 2 minutes to lock the adhesive and avoid distortion when you peel the carrier sheet. Peel slowly. If you see bubbles or lifted edges, cover and repress or use a hairdryer on low to warm the spot, then press again. This relaxes the film and pushes out trapped air. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before the first wash, and if problems persist, reheat gently and increase pressure in small increments to correct adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.